Hello everyone. What's up? How have you been? I hope that you all are taking good care of yourselves, taking all the necessary precautions, required vitamins and medicines if prescribed or needed. I am good and hence making this video. As I told you in my previous videos that I am going to start an English speaking course, and for those of you who have joined it, great, but if you have not joined it, there's something for you here as well on my channel. So as I promised that I will be keep sharing with you something or the other from the classes from that course that I have started. Okay, so today I have a very interesting topic from my first class for you all. Different ways of asking how are you. Looks very easy but very tricky, because when it comes to greeting people every day, you ask, mostly all the time you ask how are you. So it may seem that, okay, what is this? You are telling different ways of asking how are you, but right now if I ask you in how many ways you can ask a person how he has been, do you have the answer to it? I think you can come up with 2-3 answers, maximum 4, but after that you are all trained up. Okay, so let's start. The first one that I'm going to tell is, how's it going? Or how are things going? It's very easy, you may know it, but you always forget when you ask people and you come up with that boring sentence, how are you? So let's spice it up a little bit and say, how's it going? Or how are things going? The second one, how have you been? How have you been? Third one, how are you holding up? How are you holding up? This is a very nice sentence. And a different one, how are you holding up? The fourth sentence, what have you been doing since we last talked? What have you been doing since we last talked? Fifth, again a very interesting one, how is it rolling? How's it rolling? Maybe you must have heard it sometime or you may have never heard it. How's it rolling? But a great way to ask someone. Sixth one, how are things coming along? How are things coming along? Seventh, what's the latest buzz in your world? What's the latest buzz in your world? Eighth, what's new with you? What's new with you? This is a bit informal, but it's an interesting way to ask. What's new with you? Fourth, how's everything coming together? How's everything coming together? Last but not the least, how's your day going? How's your day going? This is very useful when you are asking the same person to whom you have asked in the morning, how are you, or how's it rolling, or the different ways that I told you. But again, you meet with that person and you want to ask how is his day going, with your colleague, with your friend, with anybody around you. So you can say, how's your day going? Okay, so these are 10 different ways of asking how are you, and there are even more that I shared in my first class. If you would like to know, you can comment down below, or if you want to join my class, you are more than welcome, as I told you. So keep watching my video, subscribe to my channel, give a big thumbs up if you like it, and keep sharing with anybody who is interested in learning these kind of stuff or anything related to English. So yeah, see you until the next video. Bye bye.